Galaxy event is indeed happening on 9th of next month. And at that event, Samsung is going to launch the much awaited Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, we've already seen most of the specs of the whole Galaxy S22 series, including the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, recently Samsung even posted a teaser and a vlog regarding the launch of the S22 Ultra, where they somewhat confirmed that the Galaxy Note is dead, and instead the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the new Galaxy Note. So now we have the prices, the UK and US prices. According to reliable industry insider from WinFuture, here are the European prices of the Galaxy S22 models. The Galaxy S22 828GB model will start from €849, and €50 more you're gonna get high storage variant. The S22 Plus 828GB will start from €1,050 and €50 more for the high storage variant. The S22 Ultra, on the other hand, the 828GB model will start from €1,249. That's a lot of money. And if you want the ultimate model, the 512GB model, then you have to spend €1,449. That's crazy amount. Now for the US price. Well, according to Tech Insider blog on Twitter, here are the prices of the base models of the whole series. The Galaxy S22 will start from $899, the S22 Plus will start from $1,099, and the S22 Ultra will start from $1,300. That is crazy amount. Just think about it. Now, if you look at the whole leaked US and UK prices, then the whole series is going to be really expensive. Now the S21 FE somehow making sense. Just think about it, $1,300 for an 128GB model. That is a big disappointment, to be honest. Anyway, if you want to know more about the specs of the whole series, then definitely check out my other videos for that. I will link down below. And thank you for listening to me for that long. I appreciate that. And yeah, my latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.